How you guys doing? So it's been a couple months since I posted anything on the CNC machine, and yeah, so I got pretty busy with things, and I also got COVID. So yeah, but feeling a bit better. So trying to get back into things. Currently, I have the top enclosure taken off. You can see it over there. It's all painted white now, and I have some stainless steel I gotta work around. But what I'm working on now is the skirt that goes around the perimeter, and that is comprised of 18 gauge stainless steel, and that's going to go on the very top, and then there's going to be on an angle with a profile kind of like that, and that's going to go around the perimeter, and that's to seal all the flood coolant, all the liquids, keep it all in the machine, not dripping out the sides, because I don't have the corners like in there. See, I'm not gonna try and seal all that stuff, and also this blip. So this skirt that's going to go around the machine, that should handle all that. So yeah, a bit of paint on the top, and I also painted some of the cross beams here just to keep the rust out of them. And then, well, I might as well get this thing all nice and painted too. This thing still needs a bunch of coats, but it's getting there. Yeah, that's where I am at things. Short little video, no editing. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on what I'm doing with the machine. I'll talk to you next time.